welcome to Resonance. This is your mathematics faculty Nikhil, and we'll study quadrilateral topics from grade 8th, and we study about the quadrilateral and terms related to it, like angles, side, opposite angle, vertices, adjacent sides, and what are opposite side diagonals, all these things. Okay, but first, quadrilateral is a subtopic. Its main topic is polygon. Polygon basically is a word related to sides with many sides, figures with many sides. Like triangle is the first part for polygon, then comes quadrilateral. In quadrilaterals we have rectangle, square, trapezium, rhombus, kite, parallelogram. These are all the type of quadrilateral. Okay, we'll start with the basic quadrilateral, then we'll move on to the objects or the figures that are in the quadrilaterals. First, what is quadrilateral? Any figure with 4 closed sides. Here we are seeing the examples of the figures. In every figure there are 4 sides and every one is closed. Like you have to remember this figure. This is the type of rectangle, we can say. Other one is looking like square. This is looking like parallelogram. This is looking like kite. This is looking like trapezium. This is also looking like a parallelogram. So these all are the examples of quadrilaterals. So basic definition we can conclude here is a quadrilateral is a 4-sided closed figure. Okay, and all these we have studied the examples. Like this is also a quadrilateral. Here we have labeled it at A, B, C, D. These are 4 points A, B, C, D of a quadrilateral. Let A, B, C, D be 4 points in a plane such that first property here it is the most important one is no 3 of them are collinear. What is collinear? Collinear means when the points lie in a straight line. Okay, if 3 points lie in a same line like this, so 4th point will be here or here. So it will become a triangle, not a quadrilateral. If 3 points lie in a straight line, then it will not be a quadrilateral. So we have to make sure that no 3 of them are collinear. Okay. The second one is the line segments AB, BC, CD and DA. They do not intersect except their endpoints. They do not needs to be cut at middle points. Okay, in between anywhere. So they will cut at their main points A, B, C and D, and the segments are AB, BC, CD and DA. These 4 are all segments of a quadrilateral. And after all applying this property, we will obtain a figure that is called a quadrilateral. Okay, most important, 3 of them, no 3 of them are collinear and they will intersect only 1 point. And these intersecting points, these are called vertices. What we are starting to in terms and definition related to quadrilaterals, where all the segments intersect at their respective points. Like AD and AB are intersecting at A point, so A is a vertex. Another one is B, same is on goes to with C and same goes with D. So all these points are called vertices. Now the second point is opposite vertices. Opposite means what will be in the front of the point, not left hand, not right hand. So in front of A we have C point. Similarly in front of D or in front of B we have this point D point. Okay, so A and C, these are opposite vertices. Similarly B and D, these are opposite vertices for a quadrilateral. Okay, now we'll move on to the sides. Sides are AB, here it is first side, then BC the second side, then CD and DA. So these all are 4 sides of a quadrilateral. Okay, now we'll move on to the opposite sides. Similarly to the opposite vertices, we have some more opposite sides. Like in front of AB or in opposite of AB it is CD, or we can say that in front of BC or opposite to BC it's AD. So AB and DC and BC and AD, these are opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Okay, these are opposite sides. What are adjacent sides now? Those who are left and right. Like for AB it's AD or can be BC. These are opposite adjacent sides. Similarly for BC it's CD. Same with CD it's AD. So these are all are adjacent, like AB and BC, BC and CD, CD and AD, and AD and AB. These all are adjacent sides for a quadrilateral. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next part, angles. Angle is included between 2 sides. Like in AD and AB, the common vertex is A, so this is the angle. Similarly B is the angle, C is the angle and D is also angle. A quadrilateral with 4 sides have 4 angles. Any figure, if it has 3 sides, then it must have 3 angles. If it has 4 sides, then it has 4 angles. Okay, So it has 4 sides and it has 4 angles, A, B, C and D. Same like this, we will discuss opposite angles like opposite sides. So opposite to A it's C, opposite to B it's D. Okay, so angle A and C are opposite to each other, and similarly angle B and D they are opposite to each other. These are opposite angles. Now our next term is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles which are neighbor to each other, like A it's B, for B it's C, and for C it's D, and for D it's A. So these are the pair of adjacent angles for this quadrilateral. Now our last term is the diagonal. Diagonal is like if we connect the opposite vertices, like if I connect from A to C and I connect from D to B. These are two diagonals. For any figures, there are n minus 2 diagonals can be obtained. For quadrilateral, it is 4 minus 2, 2 diagonals are there. Okay. So AC and BD, we have connected AC and BD. So this figure have 2 diagonals. First is AC and second is BD. So that's it for the video. Thanks for joining.